Okay, so you consider yourself financially literate. You're probably between 25 and 60 years old, so a big group of you people who have a strong understanding of personal finance, comfortable with managing their own investments, and seek professional level insight that provide an edge in selecting the stocks that they want to have in their portfolio. That's category number 8 out of 14. We've worked out people who want to have the data all provided for them, but not just data, have it filtered and ready-made into a presentation, so as if they're chairman of their own family office, okay, their own wealth management firm, and I come along and say, right, here's the data, and then they can learn directly one-to-one and understand why they should be selecting those stocks based on those criteria: value, growth, income, and how those criteria were determined is based on Nobel Prize-winning research, which they can access. We give them access to all of that so they can see. It's not just that they're told. So they've got the database, they've got the knowledge. That gives them control, and they've got somebody to reach out to. So that is category number 8, the financially literate individuals who want more control. Have a look at the links in the bio at alpeshpatel.com/links if that is you when it comes to controlling your investments. We've got a ton of free resources for you to help you. Thank you.